To add a new employee into Striven, you can click Add Employee from the Employees list. This will populate the Add Employee page. Here we can add in the information such as the employee's full name, the birth date of the employee, so we can select from a calendar feature. We can also click here to select a year and a month. Once we have the month and year, we can choose from a date field down here. We can enter their social security number, and then their phone number, email address, which is what they'll use to log in with. We can also search Google for their address, or we can enter it manually. By searching for addresses, this will geocode the address, and we can search Google Maps to find an address that matches. I can click Search, and Google will try to find any result that matches that criteria. Here I can click Select to choose that address. Down here is the employment information. So this is when they started with your company. So if they were just recently hired, I can choose the start date here. I can also choose who their manager is going to be within our company. I can select what location they will be working in, and then I can choose their job title. Down here is their division, so I can choose their division right from here, and then I can choose their job type, whether they're full-time, part-time, temporary, intern, and so forth. Over here I have additional benefits, so I can see if they're going to enroll in a 401k, have life insurance, or have a flex spending account. I can also choose a health plan and a dental plan, as these are custom lists with the employees. You can also choose whether they're a system user or not by clicking on and off this checkbox. If you select this checkbox, the email won't be required since they won't be logging into the system. If I uncheck this, the email will be required and you'll have to note a user role. Your system has a default, but you can always change it by clicking an access over here on the right. So here, if I want to give them the project management user role, I can select it, and if I need to, I can remove the default. Once I have all their permissions and their information filled out, I can choose Save, and this will actually save the employee in my system. Once the employee is saved, you'll get a green status bar that says that it's saved successfully, and then you'll see we have tabs up here that can provide different information about the employee itself. But now that we've added an employee, we can then change certain things, and we can also see a status right here that says Resend Welcome Email. This means that the employee has not yet verified their account, and we can resend the welcome email to them if needed so they can log in correctly.